Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet bat subscribe ya u Antor News.
Blei baro kini kilong ki khubor bang takasni. Baro buat Jun Kharjahrien kertong ka MP Lok Sabha National Parliamentary Seat naka party RDA lalai tap kerteng Khmat returning officer haka DC office men haka arprio tarik uleber. Ya baro buat Jun Kharjahrien asenran lang President ka United Democratic Party Pak Met Ba ling do President ka Hill State People Democratic Party. Haringkat ru bat kau kurem nalur ki MLA ki MDC bat kiwi deh. Baro buat Jun Kharjahrien ulapan pau sekilat thai kubor hadin bola dat bantep yang kerteng kum kertong banyak kum yang kani ka election MP Lok Sabha Khmat returning officer East Kharjahrien district mengak klem daklet bandawa ya kamat badan kam hakabaki pat ba kajala la trang ban yo no kata ka de ka inner line payment Shushu ulapan pauru maka jing pampat urlong jong jing dawa kimat ijura bat ki anya dari kadai namar bangim semlayo ya kita ki MP ki bami na ki seng dulum la kumpa live sans menta entah ka jing yang cubu banyak kun ya kanika election kadai halor ki mat ki jura ki banya da ya kari bat kajat indriu hi baro kawe ong uba robot Jun Kharjahrien
akaban yada ya kari ba kajat indriu bat kajala akaban penek pensa ya ki Riti judustur di snap ke bakar pang bat ya ka kendau ke siap bat kumju ru ya ka ban kentiu ya kari ba kajak indriu ti habang Ieit da kita ki mat ki jura ki babiang ngidon ke jingkernan bagi pajba no song senong ken pediang ya kata bat om dai tang da ki mat ki jura ngin lech ka ni election ngin lech ru sya ka election da ka hok bat ke jing sisa ti da ki mat bat ki jing bat ki jura ki babiang bat da ka hok bat ke jing sisa ngem don kanu ke jing arhatin ba nginom dei ban poi sya ka thong ha kan pot kamta singa don ya ka jinget ke baskem bangin job ya kan election nomor ki pajba nong song chinong jong ka Shillong parliamentary constituency kilong ki bastat kilong ki basempang bat kin bisa rengi kertong da ki mat ki jura bat da ka hok bat ke jing sisa ya kari ba ka jap ru KNP kan wa Khmat hanga idon kam ban yada ya kendau ka siap ni hapan pet ban pentikena ba sibun ba ki an ki batiko ya ka jinglong trai ka kendau ka siap kum ka MMDR ak ni don kam ban penbet ya ka ni don ru ya ka jing temu ban tresitom ban penbet yo pud usam bat ka jala asam bat ban review ru ya ka jing penbet yo pud usam ka India bat ka Bangladesh ni don ya ka jing temu ka basisha ban penrung no ya ka tin kasi ya ka enet ko pra ka jingkwa jongi ba ka meklia kan don no la ka jong ka separate ka dat kadi ka wei na kimat ki jura ka bokia ni kwa ban pen klan chu ya ka riti sensar pa ba pamila sekom ni don kam ya ka pre legislation consultative policy ni don kam ban pen dikena ba ka yin ka syari ka jongi kadi ban trikam light lut klem kanu ka jing muslia jong board sarkar no boleh klem ka yin ka syari ka ba light lut dan ni klem kata ka independent judiciary kalong ka ba hanu kata ba nginyo yang ta ki hok ki jongi ha ka jala ka jongi bat ki don sibun ba ki jing temu ki babha ki jongi na bata ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot na ta ban wanra ya ki lat penroi ki bapher ha ka ri ba ka jat meru jongi ni bon sibun ba ki mat ki jura ladang sedang ban keren lut di kita le sekan simpor ar kita la gentai di kentu ki ba pin sapet ya ka appeal kom manifesto ki jongi pin sayo ya ki mat ki jura ki jongi ha ka ne ka kapor ba ka CAB kawan ngalayeng ya kaban ya kun persa ya ka akampor bangidon kam banten dikena ya upud usam ngaladon hangta akapor bakawan ka klam sya ka Pyrthei barakui badak ka jala giladon rengkat hangta ti pila ban bu jingkeli ya sibun ke ngrai tangau ni ngawei nga karpat di ba aden bat ya tuwei so bah buat nembu jingkeli ya ka jing itri ga jonga ngait ya kari bat ngan ai ya kata ka Jubab ndang ala Leit da kan Pyrthei ho Blei da ka jing sos kem bangala Ieit bat ngala sakri ya ka jong kari ba ka jam ya kan ngan Jubab ho train no bu nang thau bat ngamdon kanu ka jing ar petin hak bedei bat ka jing Ieit ka jonga ya kari ba ka jam ngala Ieit ala ka jat mru na jong ngan nang tris sirhem nang ni Khmat banang sakri kamba bat kham janai ya la ka jong kari ba ka jat
maka bede ba ka jing kun ya kan election na thangin one type of election ka jing one jungi menta si ndai bang one tak di bi ndai hak platform jong kari dong democratic alliance aka bang ye don kan jing tre jungi baro art political party hak bang ni yang tang way candidate de alor ke ek education di pai ba ho arja pulai ketu kalong ke ek ba pasiau yang ni ke ek ba pinkindet ni ke ek ba ya ini ke ek ba keren yang ni bakadai ke bentai yang ni kumki regional party bangin wan hak ko platform bakam dai su ko bor yang ni kumki no yalam banginang kale rendang Lani ingin nang kesannya lah kejong, batang kejong kadai, bat jong kiwe kebalai sudah berkat. Dan ring isu pun kena dalam kadai bunyi bangin dem, bangin sutu, bangin nyetir, bangin nyatai, bat bangin nyepin wandur akabedi, bat kene kejing tinggi jungi kade. Tinggi dah kuat, bangin dah tang, dik akabedi kene nama kene kadai kejing persawah kejung pai bang. Tinggi kuat ban perolong bah kene MP election, kami isu ban long kum kiwe ki MP election, ki bala Leit no. Hak baki pai bang ndarayo ya ka result aki election berada kinyum yangi. Mungkin orang Islam. Paling jendela buat tanggung kalian ingin jawab. Jika ni kalau kai kepada kalian juga mungkin orang Islam, gila kau paling nasam. Mentah kalau empat nak kalian kipai bah Jubab ya kai kebangi nilai terdekat hak ni ke election MP. Jom kami parti bagi kita hak guna Pyrthei. Dengan halal kita nongren pada kalau kau hang nung bagi feel. Atau nung pun kita guna parti. Kamdai kebentar juga ni dia train nak kebentar dia beri begini ndai punya train nak kebentar setiap kejung atau kita kerja bakal juga tamu ya train kat bat no kamu nong ni hapan nilai aku mau hampir suka kerja kuat dan rei ngas semua orang kene ke bupai ba ulah bersuh ini haki pot berada ya kan ini kuat ban prolong akan MP.
Sir, I want your reaction. The VPP had urged the UDP to withdraw its candidate, the RTA, to withdraw its candidate since if it's an independent, if these two parties are not united.
I don't have that kind of message that you have said. I just heard from you only.
No, but
so
it has appeared in the newspaper today.
No, I don't know. I have not seen it. To be very honest. I cannot just go by that. No, I'm not saying about. I have nothing to say on that. If we are not confident, we will not file the nomination. It's very plain and simple. So we are here to complete the process of filing the nomination of our candidate, and we are very confident. And after all, we had done our campaign for the last 2 weeks, and we found that the grassroots level are still with us, and we are very confident, and we're going to work very hard in the next couple of weeks for that.
Well, sir,
Regional party, as you are aware, we are together with HSPDP, okay, and we are in the same platform where we are working for the interest of the people who are residing in this industry, and we are also there for the Jubab. But I don't know what Jubab they are talking about. I am here.
what is you?
Others what they are talking about Jubab, which you only said. So I think that is what we should be asked to those people who are talking about that Jubab which you are talking.
So what are the?
I think if you observe about our campaign, you will notice that in most of the campaigns, we are trying to share our responsibilities as far as our species is concerned. And from our side as the leaders, we are trying to make the people understand about the complaints, the allegations that they used to have against us as a regional party, like especially the UDP and the HSPDP in the past with regards to the MP election, that we used to put up our own party candidates. But this time, under the banner of the Regional Democratic Alliance, both the HSPDP and the UDP has come together and worked for one candidate.
Well,
that is what we are doing as far as campaign is concerned. But as far as issues is concerned, I would like to request you to kindly listen to what our candidate is going to tell to all of you, which we also have agreed in principle as far as those issues.